Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Valorant error code 51 with some quick and easy steps. This error usually happens when the game cannot connect properly to Riot services. First, close Valorant and the Riot client completely from the system tray, then restart your PC to refresh everything. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable, and avoid using VPN or proxy because it can block the connection. After that, open the Riot client as administrator to avoid permission issues. Now, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus, or add Valorant to the exceptions list so it is not blocked. Also, try logging out of your Riot account and logging back in to refresh your session. If the issue still continues, wait a few minutes because it can be a server-side problem. Finally, launch Valorant again and the error code 51 should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.